In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive. Whether you're storing important documents, sharing files with friends, or just wanting to free up space on your device, knowing how to upload files to Google Drive efficiently can be incredibly helpful. Let's start by opening your internet browser. You can use any browser you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once it's open, navigate to www.google.com and make sure you're logged in to the Google account that you want to use for your Google Drive. If you're not sure if you're logged in, just click on the profile icon at the top right of the Google homepage to confirm. Now, type into the search bar, "How to upload files to Google Drive." Press Enter and click on the first link that provides instructions or directly related content from Google. This will offer a quick reference or additional reading if you need it later on, but for now, let's focus on getting those files uploaded. Next, open Google Drive by typing drive.google.com in the address bar, or clicking on the Google Apps grid at the top of the page and selecting Drive from the drop-down menu. This action will take you directly to your Google Drive homepage, where you can see all the files and folders you currently have stored. To start uploading a file, look for the New button, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click this button, and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. Choose File Upload if you're looking to upload individual files. Alternatively, if you need to upload an entire folder, simply select Folder Upload. Pick the option that suits your needs by clicking on it, and a dialog window will appear for you to locate the files or folder on your computer. Browse through your folders until you find the file or folder that you want to upload. Select it and click Open. This automatically starts the upload process. You'll notice a small dialog box at the bottom right of your screen showing the progress of the upload. The amount of time this takes depends on the size of your files and the speed of your internet connection, so be patient. Once the upload is complete, you can locate your files in My Drive or the current folder you were viewing during the upload. Check to ensure everything has transferred properly. From here, you can organize your files by moving them into specific folders or sharing them with others by right-clicking the file and selecting Share. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to enter email addresses of recipients or generate a shareable link. Now you're all set to manage your files within Google Drive with ease. This efficient cloud storage solution can vastly improve your productivity and organization, whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more helpful tips and tricks.